गोंय एम्प्लॉयमेंट असिस्टंट अँड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट येवजण बिल 2018 लुईझीन फाल्यां फाटले मार्चाचे विधानसभा अधिवेशनात हाडिल्ले. पर्रीकाराचे भलायकेक लागून अधिवेशन अर्द्यार गुटलायिल्ल्यान तें खंय विधानसभेत येवंक पावलें ना. 19 जुलया सावन पावसाळी अधिवेशन म्हूण खबर आयिल्ल्यान लुईझीन बिलाचो विशय घेवन मिडिया कडेन पावलो.
आनी हें बिल तेन्ना एसेंब्लीन लॉ डिपार्टमेंटात हाडलें आनी फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटात हाडलें. म्हणटकच हांवें आनीक नोटीस दिवपाक थारायलां. कायद्यान आनीक नोटीस दिवपाक गरज ना, कित्याक बील इज बिफोर द हावस. आतां हें बील नवें बील न्हू. तुमकां कडेन याद आसतली, हांवें 1991 वर्साक लेबर मिनिस्टर ह्या नात्यान एम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉलिसी फॉर गोवा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर ऑल म्हणून ही पॉलिसी हाडली. सी दॅट आवर यूथ इज गेनफुली एम्प्लॉयड or gainfully self-employed by bringing various schemes. If that is not possible, then implement this immediately. So if there is no way of self-employment or employment, then they should be brought under this.
कामा धंद्याचे आशेन फॉरेनात वतल्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक खंय मनासारखे काम आनी परिस्थिती मेळटाच अशी ना.
That Goans who are going with Portuguese passport either to Gulf or to London, they are doing well. They are not doing well. I have seen there. Many of them may be doing well, but many of them are also not doing well. They are doing all sort of jobs. But they have lost hope here. They have to do something which they would have never done, taken a foreign citizenship, and keeping their land, their family, their mother, their father, and run there and then come back. For example, those who are going in Gulf, they cannot get a citizenship of Gulf. They got to come back. And they are working in very odd conditions, so odd weather.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.